Aero-Wrap Full Leg Flex is a complete modular compression system designed to make full leg compression simple, adjustable, and easy to use every day. Flexible knee and foot pieces give you full mobility, while the thigh and calf pieces work together to help manage swelling. Wear it as a full leg system, or remove the thigh and knee pieces to wear it as a below knee system, adjusting your setup as your needs change throughout the day. Before you begin, make sure all your components are within reach. Your full leg flex system includes a thigh liner, a lower leg undersock, which may come pre-attached to the Aero-Wrap Flex below knee garment, a knee compression wrap, an Aero-Wrap Flex below knee garment, an Aero-Wrap thigh garment, a foot compression wrap, and the AeroGauge hand pump. Take a moment to make sure everything is ready. Start by applying the thigh liner. Pull it up your leg toward the top of your thigh. The thigh liner is designed to overlap below the knee, so it connects smoothly with the undersock. Take time to smooth out any wrinkles so it sits flat. Next, apply the lower leg undersock. You may find it easiest to bunch it up, then roll it on and up your leg, so it slightly overlaps the thigh liner and feels smooth and even. Now apply the knee compression wrap. Position it over your kneecap and secure the center strap first. You may find it helpful to angle it slightly upward so it isn't sitting squarely over the kneecap, giving you better mobility. Then secure the top and bottom straps so it feels supported and evenly in place. Next, apply the foot wrap. Place your foot into the wrap with the seam positioned behind your ankle and your heel centered in the opening. Pull the first strap over and secure it. Then bring the second strap over the same way, snug and even. Next, apply the below knee wrap. Position it directly behind your calf, then secure the straps, starting with the ankle strap and working your way up from bottom to top. Make sure it sits smoothly over the knee wrap, with no folds or bunching. Adjust as needed for a clean, even fit. From a seated position, apply the thigh wrap around your upper leg. Make sure the valve is positioned at the top, centered along the front of your thigh. Begin wrapping the garment around your thigh, then secure the straps, starting at the bottom and working your way upward. Once the wrap is in place, stand up and gently secure the waist belt. Pass the belt through the buckle, pull it snug, then fold it back on itself to lock it securely in place. Everything should feel supportive, but not uncomfortable or restrictive. With Aero-Wrap, you're in control of your compression using AeroGauge. Turn the dial to your desired compression level. You'll feel a soft click when it's set. Before you inflate, make sure you're seated with your leg bent past 90 degrees and nothing pressing against the wrap, so the air can fully inflate around your leg. Start by inflating the below knee wrap. Insert the pump into the valve and apply slow, steady squeezes. About 10 to 15 pumps is a good place to start. The AeroGauge is designed with built-in safety valves to help keep you within your target range, preventing overcompression. Each wrap also has a self-closing valve, so it seals on its own the moment you remove the pump. Then move up to the thigh wrap and repeat the same process. As your swelling goes down through the day, you can sit down and re-inflate anytime, adding a few squeezes to each wrap to keep your compression effective. You will find a removable valve cap on each valve. It has two ends, each with its own use. The short end of the valve cap is an optional dust cap. Attach it any time to help keep the valve clean and protected. The longer end is inserted into the valve to release air and reduce compression. Use it whenever you need to let air out, including before you take the wrap off. Once everything is inflated, take a moment. Stand up, move around, and get comfortable with how it feels. Managing your swelling shouldn't hold you back. It should move you forward. With Aero-Wrap Full Leg Flex, supportive compression fits naturally into your day, so you can stay active, stay confident, and keep moving forward. Aero-Wrap, compression therapy, made for living.